Hello guys, I'm Ranga. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to open the bank account in the UAE. Whether you are the UAE national or the UAE resident or the foreign national, can open the bank account in this country in any bank. There are the national and international bank in the UAE. They offer straightforward and hassle-free account opening process to the customer. UAE national and the residents can open any type of bank account such as saving, checking, business and retirements, but the foreign national only can open the saving account in this country. If you are the foreigner, you don't have the work or business visa. You are on the visit or the tourist visa and need to have a bank account, so you are allowed to apply for the saving account only. To apply for the other type of account, the foreign national should get the residency visa first. How to open the bank account in the UAE? Many banks offer you two methods for opening the bank account in the United Arab Emirates. One, online method, and another is offline method. Let's talk about the online method. Visit the bank website, go over the account opening section, fill out the online form and upload the required documents. The bank employee will review your application. After then, they will inform you whether your account is accepted or rejected. You may get the text on your mobile phone. If you require the additional document to complete the account opening process, then they can ask you to submit. You can submit the additional document through online. When your bank is approved, your bank account that is applied from online, then you can deposit into your bank account but cannot withdraw. To make the withdrawal service active, you have to attend the bank and do some paperwork. Now talk about the second method. Open the bank account at the bank. Visit any bank branches across the UAE. Fill out the account opening form and submit it with the required document. You can get the bank accounts within a minute. You can get the other services including ATM, smart mobile banking and the e-banking. Requirement to open a bank account as a non-resident. You are just entered in the UAE but you don't have the residency visa. Your visa is proceeded but not approved. If you want to open the bank account in this condition, these documents are necessary. Number 1, passport with the UAE entry stamp, original and the copy. Passport photo. Complete application form. Proof that your residency visa or the Emirate ID is being processed. Document stating your employer's name and the salary detail. Letter of the recommendation from the previous bank. If you have a previous bank account, so you must get the recommendation from the previous bank. Letter of the non-objection from either your sponsor or employer. Requirement to open the bank account with the residency visa. You already have the residency visa and want to get the bank account. Okay, let me tell who can get the residency visa in the UAE. Workers in the UAE, business persons and the foreign national who have the properties in this country. These documents are compulsory to open the bank account in UAE residency visa. Your passport with your UAE residency visa, original and copy. Your Emirates ID card, original and copy. Documentation of the residency in the UAE. This can be the rental agreement, utility bill or letter of employment. And either a salary letter from your employer or the original trade license if you are self-employed, or your spouse labor card or work ID if you are on their sponsorship. Let me tell you how to open the business account in the UAE. When you want to open the bank account in your company's name, you need to submit the following documents. Passport with the residency visa of the company's shareholder and the representative. Copy of the Emirates ID card of the shareholder. Passport copy of the company director. Information about the type of activities on the account. Disclosure of the source of fund. Existing contracts. Reference letter from the business partner. Business plan. Full set of certified company incorporation document such as memorandum of the articles, certificate of the incorporation, shareholder registry, company extract from the official company registry, certification of the good standing. These are the required documents to open the business account in the UAE. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you want to get more information about this video, you can visit our website www.golftips.com or closecourier.com. Guys, there are the three conditions you can open the bank accounts in the UAE. The first one is without the residency visa. You are the foreign national, you are in the UAE and want to get the bank account. You can open the saving account. You have the residency visa and you need a bank account in another bank, or you want to change the bank. Also you can open the bank account in the UAE, and the another is the business account. Okay, if you want to open the business accounts in any bank in the UAE, as there are the same and some different documents required to complete the process of opening the bank accounts in the UAE. And guys, if you are the new for this channel, I request you to subscribe, because I can send you the notifications when I upload the new video in this channel. Bye for now.